Tube Money Masterclass is a new online business opportunity that claims to be able to teach you how to make money online. It has been around for about 2 years now, and I have to say that it's one of the most popular programs out there today. It offers a free training to those who are interested in trying it out. However, if you're looking to actually make money with this program, this will give you access to their training system, which includes video tutorials, step-by-step instructions, and much more. The program teaches you how to make money online by setting up your own YouTube channel. You can use this website to promote your affiliate products and earn commission from every sale you make. There are many ways to make money online. However, not all of them will provide you with the kind of income that you want. If you are serious about making money online, then you should consider using Tube Money Masterclass. It doesn't matter what kind of niche you are in, because they have training modules for just about any topic. The good thing about this program is that it's easy to follow. It also makes use of videos to explain everything that you need to know. They also give you access to a Facebook community where you can interact with other members and ask questions about anything that you might be having trouble with. There is also a community that is specifically for members who are already joined the program. The price is definitely worth it if you're serious about making money online. You get complete full training, plus access to a Facebook community, which is very valuable.